Welcome to the Datagrid's Company Profile tutorial, where you'll discover how to harness the full potential of our platform. The Company Profile page serves as a repository for all your essential company information, effortlessly integrated into your work documents via customizable print templates. To access your company profile, simply hover over Profile in the main menu on the left and select Company Profile. Within this section, you'll find 4 page tabs located at the upper left corner of your screen. The Basic tab is your starting point, where you can input company details, set your time zone, and upload your company logo for seamless branding across documents. Next, explore the User Metadata tab, your central hub for managing and editing information to be incorporated into documents, such as license numbers, insurance policies, disclaimers, and more. Dive deeper into this functionality in our dedicated print templates tutorial. In the Settings tab, take control of how mobile devices retain content and set the maximum print image file size, empowering you to efficiently manage the size of your PDF documents upon delivery. Lastly, the Features tab provides an overview of your current feature selection list. Thank you for reviewing Datagrid's Company Profile tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for further insights and updates on our platform's powerful features.